Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade review for today. So yeah, we do have a trade in at the moment, but that's on the Aussie South African top 40 at the moment, which is quite a bit underwater right now. And we did make some profits yesterday, but not from trading the Dax. Pretty much 2 trades on the Dow, and we made a 3.78% return yesterday, which wasn't too shabby. Let's just move this out the way. Excuse me. Right, so looking at the DAX, still not interesting me for a trade at the moment. This range that we're in at the moment is still carrying on. So I'm more than likely just going to sit this one out, continue sitting this one out. So the only thing that I do have that's fairly positive is this massive inside bars where there's a big move down and then we had a big move up. So big confusion. We had this rejection off the top. Okay, and we're back in the alligator. So this to me is looking like bottom of range, but yeah, there's no conclusive evidence that anything's going to happen at the moment. So I'm expecting this to probably continue until we get some news at the moment. So yesterday, what we had, I think you'll see it. Should see it here. No, we don't really see it. You see it on the Dow, but we had in the morning we had a big spike up, which is probably buried inside this pin bar here, which was positive trade news, and then we meandered down, and then we had negative trade news over here. Okay, but for me the DAX is still not something to trade. I'm still not interested in this. There's nothing here that excites me at the moment. It is range bound, and the amount of time that we're testing the bottom, I'm inclined to believe that the move is going to be to the downside. So you can see these lower highs forming at the moment. So that to me is just a bit of a worrying factor. But the problem, because it's in a range, it's highly probable that it'll find a level and then just bounce again or go against whatever you think is going to happen. Okay, so I'm not really interested in the DAX at the moment. This is really looking like it's going to continue. If you are going to trade this, you want to be trading long off the bottom, short of the top. But look for price action. You see this kind of price action off the bottom here, which would have given you a half decent trade. But for me at the moment, this is not something I want to be trading. We just look at the Ichimoku, and you'll see most of the day total confusion on the 12-minute. There's nothing really to read into this, except ranging and confusion. At 30 minutes, we did have this massive move down, massive move up, and we're now coming up to a twist here and a crossover. We want chicken span through price as well. So, there are some bullish signals lining up, but not that many. The 1 hour has broken through the cloud, come back and tested. We've got a crossover, we've got chicken span inside price, and we've got a twist. So it's 2 plus below the cloud. That's 3 bearish signals at the moment. And if you look at the 4 hour, you can see we are still with this bearish cross. Cloud is coming close together with a twist. Chicken span is in price, which just leads me to believe that the move is to the downside. That's what we should be expecting shortly. But for me, I'm not going to trade that until I get confirmation. Okay, and the reason for that is because the daily is still very much in an uptrend. This is an uptrend with consolidation, so you would expect a move back the upside. And remember, I want to see less than 20 bars in the consolidation, and at the moment, we've got 8 bars in the consolidation. So this is a very short consolidation at the moment. So the buyer should still be with the trend to the upside until we get a trend change on the 4 hour. And it is brewing, but this could actually just be the bounce off the cloud, and we now accelerate back up. Okay, so not really interested in this until I see some positive price action. Okay, so anyway, that's my view on the DAX. I think the Dow, there's a bit more of a better setup on the Dow, and I'm hoping there's a better setup on the Aussie with the trade that we've got in right now. But anyway, that's it from today. I hope that helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.